how to block and unblock contacts on Botim app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to block and unblock contacts on your Botim app. So let's dive right in. Open up the app, then go to chats. Tap on the plus icon. Now, once you have opened up the conversation to chat, just tap on the person name in the top. Then you'll be able to see more. Tap on it. And you can see block contact. Just tap on it and hit block. And the contact will be blocked. Now, to unblock it, you'll have to search for the contact again and then go to the same more option and then you can see unblock. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.